Hey guys, thank you so much for tuning in to my music and makeup channel. This is your girl AJ and it is Love Look Week. This is day 6. We are almost through. We are almost done. I'm so excited and I can't wait to see which look you choose for Valentine's Day because I've done about like 6 looks. I really want to see what you guys come up with and what looks you do. I am so excited that you are tuning in, that you are watching each and every one of these videos. As you can see, I have this really nice pink look and I did pair it with a dark lip because I noticed that I have not done a dark lip in this series at all. I love it. It's beautiful. It's whatever I'm feeling at this point because I know Valentine's Day is like in 3 days. It's whatever I'm feeling at this point, girl. Anyways, it's day 6. Let's just get into this video. I am talking entirely too much. I love you guys. Let go. Alright guys, welcome back. I think I am going to do more of a pink look because I know you guys were probably like, we see all these reds, oranges, what's going on? Where's the pink? It's Valentine's Day, right? My very first YouTube video was a pink, very pink look, and that's why I'm like dreading the pink. I think I found a variation that I will like, so I'm just gonna get started on the eyes. As you already know, I did the rest of my face, eyebrows, bronzer, blush, what is it, contour, not contour, what? And I'm just gonna bring you in closer for the eyes, too close for comfort. I'm going to go in with my Emory palette and I'm gonna use that natural color and I'm gonna go in with that color into the crease, and I'm gonna take a fluffy brush to do that. I am going to take some dark brown with my Coastal Scents palette, the same fluffy brush, and we're going to use those browns and take care of the outer edge of the eye. Has anyone heard that song by Codaline? I think it's from the movie The Fault in Our Stars, which is, it's my favorite movie. Like, if you haven't seen The Fault in Our Stars, it's one of my favorite movies, right up there after A Walk to Remember. Because that was the first movie I ever watched where someone in the movie had like a disability or something like that. If you haven't seen A Walk to Remember, then I'm about to spoil it right now. That's the first movie that I've ever seen where I was able to relate to somebody on the screen. The girl had cancer. Yes, I have sickle cell disease. They're like siblings, but they're not the same kind of disease. And so that was the first time I was able to see anybody with something of that nature on TV. And I was young when I watched it. And I fell in love and I never stopped loving that movie since. So I'm going to go under the eye really quick. One of these small brushes here. Take my body. Take my body. I do feel better because of the antibiotics, but I'm still on the antibiotics. So, life of a sickle cell warrior. I am going to go into one of my Amazon palettes, so it does not have a name. And it's so pretty though. It literally does not have any name on it. But I saw it online and I was like, that's so pretty. Look. Ooh. You can't tell me that's not pretty. Look at this heavy pink. I'm not gonna use that because I'm pretty sure I'm too dark for this. But I'm gonna go in with this color right here. If you want, I'll swatch it. Ooh, it's very pigmented too. Like, it looks kind of reddish. Everything looks red on me because I'm black. So, but this is pink. It's pink. So I'm gonna take a flat shader brush from e.l.f. and I'm gonna take that color that I just swatched for you guys, and then I'm gonna put that on the lid. And don't forget, we pat, we don't swipe. Cause if you love me, why you my body, take my body. And then that gentleman sang it on the floor, like, what? Now let's get rid of this fallout. I'm gonna go in with Laura Mercier powder to wipe it away. And my tapered brush. Do you all know what this is? This is a dark brown lip color from ColourPop. And most of the time, I use it as eyeliner. And that's what I'm gonna do today. I'm gonna take this really, really tiny liner brush. And this is from Real Techniques, and it's a fine liner brush. And I'm gonna dip that in my lipstick. And then I'm gonna line the top of my eye with it, and it's gonna look so cute, girl. I've done that with red. I've done that with brown. I've done that with a few colors, like allowing it to act as eyeliner. Here we go. I'm a little scared. Here we go. I don't think any woman on the planet is good at eyeliner. Just saying. Not even like really, really good makeup artists. We're all terrible at eyeliner. Everyone in the world. If there's someone good at eyeliner, please, I'd like to meet them. Just be careful when you're trying to do a wing. This is liquid liner and it will dry up like that. So be careful. Get it back in here. Do it like this. Just get it saturated in that thing. Oh, here we go, the next eye. I'm gonna take my NYX Jumbo Eye Pencil. What color is this? Milk. Sorry. I'm gonna take my Volume Lash Mascara and I'm gonna do the bottom lashes first. So now I'm going to go in with a accent brush and my highlighter, and I'm just going to highlight the inner corner of my eye. Cause if you love me, why you leave me? Take my body, take my body. So now I'm gonna take my highlighter brush and just highlight them cheekbones, boo boo. Ooh yeah. I always highlight under my brow bone, always. Yes, girl, bring that highlight through. Come through, highlight. Come through. Now, the last thing we are going to do is lips. And I am going to take my brown lip liner and line my lips. I'm always dropping things, guys. Make sure you get all the way to the edge of your lips. You gotta have a sturdy hand for lip lining. And now I'm gonna go back with my ColourPop brown liquid lipstick. Girl, let me teach you how to do liquid lips real quick. It dries fast, so you gotta work fast. Here we go. And you gotta get the inside of your lip too, because when you're talking, you don't want people to see that butthole. So if you can go like this and you still see some pink, fill it in, girl. Kitty girl. Kitty girl, kitty. I got this from e.l.f. This is a very, very, very tiny lash mascara, and I got it from Walgreens. And this is the finished look, you guys. Here's your slow-mo. That is the end of our Valentine's Day pink makeup look. As you know, we are continuing the series. We are coming to a close. We're coming to a close. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Go ahead and click that button down below. I'll wait. Go ahead, click it. And click that bell so you can be notified of all of my uploads. I love you guys. Have a happy, beautiful Valentine's Day. Mwah. Bye.